What's going on, guys? Marty here. Well, I finally reached this factory that's in the middle of the Meadowlands. I did have to pack light because we did longboard down here. There's nowhere to park your car around here. This place is called the Standard Chlorine Chemical Company, and it is responsible for letting out a lot of toxics into the Meadowlands. In the 80s, they discovered that the ground was contaminated. In the early 2000s, they did a sample test. And around 2012, 2014, they cleaned it all up. How much do you think they cleaned it really up? I know, we're taking precautions today.
Yeah, we got our respirators. I don't think they did a very good job today.
I don't know, you can't get 100%, so came suited up. This place opened up in 1916 and closed in 1993. So it's been around for a while. All right, guys.
Beautiful respirator.
We're all suited up. Let's go in here.
We're gonna head through this place.
This place is all coming down apart.
Boy, oh boy, I'm thankful we have our respirator.
We got trees growing on the second floor over here.
We got trees growing. Ah, look at that. Whoa, Matt, look at that.
What, computers?
No.
Yeah.
We've got a telelab data plexer.
Definitely a hazardous place. You gotta be careful around here.
Right, this looks awesome.
That is cool looking. So all the toxic waste from this plant right here is a good reason why you cannot eat the crabs and fish in the Meadowlands. That's why there's signs all around. I always wondered why. Just a good example of how industry can ruin Mother Nature. Dude, look at all this stuff. It's so old school looking. Oh yeah. This place looks like anything's just gonna fall down right away. What's that? That thing is depleted. Oh shit, never mind. Wow.
It still had something in it.
No freaking way. Yo, you want to take a look in there?
Yeah.
Dude, this place is beyond destroyed.
This is a drill test. Wow.
Somebody's workshop over here.
That's what this was. This was a little workshop.
Yeah.
Oh, the factory.
Oh yeah. Got the time. Get your punch cards here, lockers.
That's nice. Can you say that? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's what people are expecting? There's the floor. Let's see what time it's at to be out of power. Alright, so if we're going to go to the second floor, is wood flooring that looks very rotted out. Flooring and faucet.
Be careful. Crazy.
But
I think it's still good. Still good. So this place used to produce mothballs, lead acid batteries, drain cleaning products right in here. What did you see?
it's just, it's empty up there. But there's a gantry train.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
So mechanism right here.
I know, that's what I'm going to test out right now. Hopefully the whole thing doesn't just come down.
Yeah, please don't. I think it's seized up, man. I think you move it. Oh yeah, somebody was exploring around here.
Either that or that's from when they cleaned it up, or maybe the workers.
Possibly.
They did manufacture toxic shit there, so it makes sense for them to be wearing respirator.
Dude, this looks like the lab. It's a laboratory in here.
Oh shit, it's a fucking cat.
That scared me.
Dude, a wild cat lives in here. I'm sorry, kitty. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to scare you.
What is that?
It's a fume hood.
Humidifier, right?
No, fume hood.
Fume hood. Oh, okay,
Fume hood.
gotcha, yeah.
So when they're like testing chemical reactions and stuff and it's creating toxic fumes, you put it in there, you close the glass door, and as you can see there's a ventilation pipe that vents it right down outside.
Right.
Let's see if the door still works. Still works. It's a fumigation hood. That's exactly what it is. Every high school lab has it.
Yeah.
Right. That's all I did. Hey, look, stairs.
So far, I think it looks good.
Yeah, see this platform right here?
Yeah, that part's broken. Be
It
careful on
looks
that.
really sketchy on the bottom too.
Yeah.
Avoid that altogether. And we gotta be careful up here. This is concrete, yes,
Yeah.
but there's patches of steel,
Oh, yeah.
and they go straight
That's-
through.
That right there is pretty bad. It's
I would not walk on this.
definitely not.
I don't avoid any steel.
Yeah, that's the elevator shaft I saw before. Hey, there's another crane up here, too. It's another crane.
Yeah, there is a crane.
Yeah. Still got a couple more buildings to check out. There's one over here, another one over there. Probably offices. I have no clue. We gotta go take a look. So we definitely want to check out the boiler room. I have a hunch it's in this building over here next door. I see a stack coming out.
It's separated, but there's pipes coming in.
A little windy. We got ourselves a bad boy. Dude, what?
Dude, there's a wall.
Look at a boat?
You got your floodlight?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's flooded.
Holy crap.
It is the boiler room. There's the boiler right there. 3,008,000 BTUs.
Wow.
Yep. Massive.
This place is in really bad condition. Black mold, asbestos, you name it. The whole package here. Oh, this has got to be the boss's room. Look at that desk.
Just a head honcho in here.
Yeah. You know, good thing I didn't make it here, my last adventure,
Yeah.
because I was not suited up. I didn't have a respirator. Definitely good to go with buddies, you know.
Yeah.
I found the cafeteria.
The cafeteria, you mean like the lunch break room?
Yeah, break room. Yeah, this was probably still operational a couple years after the main area closed down. Check out that calendar.
Oh wow. Whoa.
Huh? Where'd you find?
Oxygen.
Oh yeah.
And it's still got gas in it.
What does it?
It's still got a little over a quarter tank. Let's see if it turns on. Dude,
Wow.
there's still oxygen in there.
That's gotta
What?
smell disgusting. I'm in. I'm ready to get the hell out of here.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, guys, hope you liked this exploration. Kind of an inside look at what was going on in the Meadowlands. Make sure to subscribe, go what's going on adventures, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.